Hello students, it's part 5 of chapter 2 Nelson Mandela. So let's start. It was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self-respect that animated my life, that transformed a frightened young man into a bold one, that drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal, that turned a family-loving husband into a man without a home, that forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. Now, before knowing this, that Nelson Mandela was not only the man who was oppressed and who had not freedom. When he realized that his people, his community had no freedom, they were also fighting for their freedom. He joined the African National Congress, and now this time, this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self respect that animated my life. He started fighting for not only the freedom for himself only, for the freedom of his community. This made his life changed, transformed his life, and a frightened young man changed into a bold one. A man, a young man who did not break any law now become a criminal. A man who was very family loving, husband, has become a man without a home. A man who was life loving, who loved his life very much, now living like a monk. So his life totally transformed, पूरी बदल गई उसकी life, just because his decision. What was his decision? He decided that he will fight for his people, for their freedom. I am no more virtuous or self sacrificing than the next man, but I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedoms I was allowed when I knew my people were not free. And he decided that how could he enjoy his freedom, limited freedoms, when he know that his people were not allowed, they were not free, they had not the freedom like uh, white skinned people like Britishers had. Freedom is invisible. The chains of any one of my people were the chains of on all of them. The chains on all of my people were the chains on me, and we all are connected with each other. So how can I forget about my people's freedom? I knew that the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow mindedness. I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom, just as surely as I am not free when my freedom is taken from me. Here, Nelson Mandela explains that the oppressor मस्ट बी लिबरेटेड जस्ट एज श्योरली द ऑप्रेस्ड. एक जो किसी को दबाने वाला होता है, किसी पर को शोषण करने वाला होता है, ही इज़ ऑल्सो प्रिजनर. अब वो भी एक प्रिजनर है. हाउ ही इज़ अ प्रिजनर? ही इज़ अ प्रिजनर ऑफ हैटर्ड. वो हैटर्ड का प्रिजनर है. ही इज़ लॉक्ड बिहाइंड द बार्स ऑफ प्रिजुडाइज. वो दूसरों के राइट्स को, दूसरों की फ्रीडम को अगर ख़त्म कर रहा है, इट मीन्स ही इज ऑल्सो अ प्रिजनर ऑफ हैटर्ड. वो भी नफरत का शिकार हो रहा है. ही ऑल्सो बिहाइंड द बार्स ऑफ प्रिजुडाइज एंड नैरो माइंडेडनेस. वो भी नैरो माइंडेडनेस और प्रिजुडाइज की बार्स मीन्स सलाखों के पीछे है. आई एम नॉट ट्रूली फ्री if I am taking away someone else's freedom. And how can I say that I am free if I am taking away someone else's freedom? If I oppress someone, अगर मैं किसी को दबा रहा हूँ, किसी की फ्रीडम को ख़त्म कर रहा हूँ, then I am not free. just as surely as I am not free when my freedom is taken from me. The oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity because I lost my humanity when I oppressed someone. So, this was a nice story about Nelson Mandela's A Long Walk to Freedom. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.